Hi everyone, this is a 2018 Honda Clarity. I'll be showing you where the battery high power, the hybrid high power plug is. First you gotta remove the seat, rear seat, which you gotta pull these two connectors, plugs, on. There's two of them on each side, and you pull it out, and there's a knot here also you gotta remove. And then this is the first cover you take out, and the second cover, and that's where the plug is for the high power battery. And there's two of them on each side. You just pull them, that's it, comes out. But you gotta wear special gloves, otherwise it's very dangerous. Thank you for watching.